stock specific, but the broader trend remains upward. That's the call coming in on the Nifty. Well, we've got some news coming in that SBI will be looking to sell 12% stake in SBI Life as opposed to 10% that was initially determined. Dinesh Kumar Khara, MD of SBI, now joins in. Morning, Mr. Khara. Thanks for joining in. Mr. Khara, what's led to the change of mind? I believe SBI now sell 12% in SBI Life versus the initial 10% that was being discussed.
Good morning to you, first of all. And actually, earlier we had thought in terms of offloading up to 10%, but now we have the decision has been taken to go up to 12%, wherein earlier Cardiff was offering 2%, now Cardiff is offering 4%. So much of it will depend upon, as far as SBI is concerned, we have retained as against 8%, we have said that we will go up to 8%. That's the change which has happened now.
Mr. Khara, you said that Cardiff is offering more. Is there a greater quantum from your side, or does that remain the same?
No, actually we had earlier decided to go up to 8%, and Cardiff had indicated 2% because for IPO minimum quantum was 10%. So now we have kept our share up. We can go up to 8%, not 8%, up to 8%, and Cardiff will put in 4% of their stake in the IPO.
Right. So it stays at 8%, Mr. Khara. So what is the kind of proceeds that you're looking at? And I'm assuming this will go into boosting the capital adequacy ratio?
No, as far as the capital adequacy ratio in the main bank is concerned, there is not a major concern. We had sometime back in the month of December, we had done a stake sale just to have some kind of price discovery of our SBI Life. And encouraged by that, we decided to go for taking the company to the IPO route. So that is something which has happened.
So, Khara, what was the valuations? I believe there was a valuation study done on this in the month of December. Give me details on the valuation, and also if you can share with me a timeline. Do you have a sense of the timeline on the IPO just yet, or is it still early days?
Actually, when we had done the stake sale in the month of December, that point of time, the company was valued at 46,000 crore. And as far as for the current IPO, the valuation process has got initiated, so it's too early for me to really comment upon the valuation piece as of now, because this will be based on the financial year 16-17 results. So that's how the things are.
What about the timeline on the IPO, Mr. Khara? Do you have a sense of that just yet, or still early days?
Yeah, we intend to complete the IPO process in the first half of this financial year.
All right. Mr. Khara, what about the general insurance side? Because there are plans of divestiture there as well.
As far as the general insurance piece is concerned, the JV partner they have initiated the process of the dial-up. So I think there also, once we hear from them, then only we'll be in a position to firm up our plans. It's
23% there?
Yeah, as of now, they have got a stake of 26%.
So, I mean, what will the contribution be of divestiture from either party?
See, it's early because unless and until we hear from them, we are not very sure that are they going to increase their stake or where will they stand.
Okay, but from the bank side?
From bank side, we have got already 74% stake is there in the general insurance piece.
Right. Mr. Khara, if you can take us through the other non-core divestiture plans, because...
So as of now, for the current year, nothing as such, but for this and yeah, that's how it is as of now.
Right. Thanks a ton, Mr. Khara. Good talking to you this morning. So that is the increased stake sale coming in from SBI and SBI Life to 12% on the initial 10%. But remember, it is Cardiff that is selling the additional 2%. SBI's stake sale remains at 8%, and the additional 4% comes in from Cardiff, which is increased its stake, increased stake sale in SBI Life. We'll take a break. We'll come back, talk about pre-open trade and the rupee opening, and of course trade calls from our guests as well, so stay tuned. We also will take you through an exclusive conversation that we had with Gadkari in London, so keep it with the channel.